Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the F25 RT, F25 Ace and F25, like what are the main differences between these three products, so we can see it also. So suction power for all is the same, 20,000 PA. Also flat to ground design, same thing. And you can see right here, the mode is the same, self-cleaning temperature, self-drying temperature. And here you see, for example, right here that you have the 30-minute quiet drying, but for the Ace and for the standard F25, you have also the quick fast drying, and the quiet drying is faster comparing to the RT. Now, then also dirt detection you don't have with RT, auto dispenser you don't have with RT, but also you don't have it with the F25, but Ace actually got it, so this is very important too. And app control, this is also what you got with the Ace that you don't have with standard or the RT. Now, but with the water tank is lower comparing to RT and standard. Also, same thing near the water tank. Runtime you see right here is much lower for the RT comparing to the Ace and comparing to the standard version. Charge time also about half an hour lower. And here mods wet dry you have only eco and max, and for the Ace and for the standard you have way more. And screen display you have only indicator light here, and that's pretty much it primarily. So you can see based on this that yes, you have the suction power for the RT. I know what are like the price differences in your country where you're from, but here you can see that comparing to the Ace, it doesn't have, for example, dirt detection, auto dispenser. It doesn't have the you know, like the screen. It got only the light, so that's something to be aware of. Like you have indicator light, you don't have the LED. And yeah, so hope this video provided a little bit of value what you can actually expect from this product, and have a great day and goodbye.